Guys, my name is Mohsin and you are watching Know How channel. Today is the news is that Etisalat and Du has confirmed that Skype will not work in UAE, and they have just give an alternative app, but you have to pay for that app for monthly charges. They have given a monthly package for that. Let's see which app is this one. We have to just go in the Play Store and just write Votim. So guys, this is the app Etisalat and Du has confirmed that you can use, but you have to pay monthly charges for this app. Bottom unblock video and voice calls. I have just downloaded this app. Let's go in the app and see. This is the interface of this app. You can call video calls and voice calls on this app. You can see free calls, message, just like Skype, but you will not get free like Skype, but you have to pay monthly charges for this one. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you.